le thlir tu le ngai thatu zong zong te in zawa in chi bai le vekule hei pupana chu vui lia manita a tin adu thu samang ngeiin adu thu sam le alom em le anu pui rosin adu thu sam aron post ka kanon tar lang towa afa te pani thlak la minute ka akuang chunga aruang chunga da turin rom phuta hei thlaka kan huang hianin afa te thlak kha an da nge yani rosi po alim viau maya tichuanin rosi te nu fa po bits lama tui pui kam lama in ti thoveng turin an chua ka ozi nen eng po ni sela rosi chuanin ral na chungchang thule la aron neya a be seina te hei kan ron da ang hianin a fia zo na mi zo tongin kan han letlinga kan han tar langange rosin ti hianin fb aron ziaka 2 point kele osborn romo ya fana ne na ral na thon indu ani chuan puan chu kalo pomang hei hian ozi ne na anam zia rang zirtir belnan apui don ani poisa zong zong ero chu pananu le pa ne na emaw pana fapa upaber boi puya ne na emaw thon turing kangen chu ni khat chu kan fapa te boi puya ozi le boi puya nu lam unau pa Christopher atenen ram an la nei dun ka be sei unau an ni veka chu an phu hli ani ti in love emoji aron da eng poni sela rosi hi aril ruwa chelo ti a hriata apasal fahmasa te po angai na mangaya tin apasal pananupui masa ani ang chukhang te po ka a holem lo ti athu le la atang hian in a hriata rosi hi miril ru tluang pangai tak ani ti a hriat vereng mai ani ti chuanin nakin zela heng no pangte hian ram in trom tur an la lei theih nan tran pui ka be sei bok aron tia america oma mo ram thatak an la nei ve nge kha be sei ani afa te tan kan zinga thaber te an ni ya an pathum hian ka mangai vekani kalai zon nu ma omi po in poisak khon khomin min puya achan chu keima nge ka telve thei si lova thilpek te athen ngei nan na sa takin athoka aphum ni ya khan keima le ozia ai o in kan thu cha thon alo soi bokani engpo ni sela rosi hianin pana hi a hrenga a theih ngil lawatin hei adu thu samang ngeiin thlak te po ozi thlak le afapa boi puya thlak po akuang chunga ti khan lamine thlapin anda saka rosi hianin apana hi angai ti a hriat theyani engpo ni sela hei rosi hianin fb lama hian thule hla hi aron nei thina a video trend khat hei hi a video hi ron da kherta ila han react ang fm kha rem chi alawa in ti thoveng turin tuipui kam lama annu fa in an kala lusun hi chu a hre oma asun ve tan lo chuanin hriat thiam hlei thei po ani lova mo va in nem vak dan po hi om lo ani amaro chu rosi te po trong trai puyan ngai na sa atin aral na sum ta po rosi ka pe kan lo tum ni ngei turani amaro chu rosi khanin ralna sum chu ke ya don turani love mineral du ani ponin pana fapa masa boi puya mo pana nu le pa ta kha poisa lo pe jok ru amaro chu nam pu nang chi inral du ni chuanin ka fapa ozi tan hianin nakin zela nam zia rang a hriat ve thei na turani ya khatiang nam pu nang kha chu ka pom thei reng ti in rosi hianin a soi ve bokani eng poni sela a video hi kan ri akanga eng chi ange rosi hianin toipui kamlama ti tum tuna kan thlir lokang
Hi everyone. Me and Azie have decided to run away and go to the beach. I am still mourning in all black. Azie is right here. We'll go to the beach. Say beach. Are you sleepy? He's sleepy. Not yet. His dad always wanted to see the ocean, and I told him that I will wait and take Azie to the beach when he gets here. Azie said, I want to go to the beach, Mom. So we're going to go to the beach. It is Azie's first time seeing the beach. And I hope that his dad can see us from heaven. And we're going to collect sand and we're going to put it in a jar with some ocean.
Ole tikha ngan ti top lokanga rosi hi anin beach lama tuipui kam lama ka fapa hi hruai ka duwa avoi khat kal na tur ani ya ti in soyatin apa kharin van ram atangin min ron thlir ve rangin ka ringa ka be sei bokani ti in thule laron ne ya apana ponin anu pui fanaute tuipui kama an kho savel kha alo thlir ve rangin arin omani alei taksa America thleng theilo ma sela atharau chuanin a chen sil rangin ka ringa an khongai thak nu fa viau ani panapon kalsan hi a hre viau ka ringa anin kar mangai na hi chu thon thu lungchiat thlak ania international thil ania mo mangai na in ram ri chu kham lo ma sela ramin adang siya anin kar hi an line at om viau ni kan thlir zelang
Ocean water, and we are going to make a memorial piece in honor of his father. And we're going to see the beach. We're going to see the beach. Yeah. Thumbs up, beach. Can you give thumbs up?
Thumbs up, beach. Go to beach.
This is Minnie. She is my friend from America, and she has been with me during this time. I finally reached out and called somebody because I wasn't okay.
Ole kan ti top le lokang ti khanin meni America a thian tha khanin motor khala rositen du fa phura rosi khanin an pa ngai viawa wana tangin an fa pa poron thir vera ngaringani ti chuanin Azie po avoid cut first time avoid cut tuipui kama kalna tura niya an phurnu fa lu sun hliman niya trong try pui an ngai na savia wani
And she's been taking care of me and Azie. And she said, that's fine, let's just go to the beach. So I will be posting pictures of Azie enjoying his time, the first time at the beach, seeing the ocean. It will be the Atlantic Ocean. He will see the Atlantic Ocean, and he will see seashells and crabs, and hopefully not shrimp, because if he does, I will get sick because I'm allergic to shrimp. But we love you all. I wish he was here with us, but maybe he can see us. I want to record Azie's first facial expression when he sees the ocean. I want to record it. And I want to post that, because I'm pretty sure that's going to be what his dad would have looked like the first time you see it. I love you all. Say bye-bye, Azie. Until next time. Kiss. Can you kiss? Kiss. Can you? You want to hold the phone? Say hello. Say hi. Hi. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You're a happy boy.
No, me a good boy.
You're a happy boy?
Mm-hmm.
You love There we go. Can you see? Can you see yourself? Can you give kiss? Blow kiss. Say chabai.
Goodbye.
Chabai.
Goodbye.
Say kanai latuk je. Latuk. Yeah, there you go.
It's like the
Yeah. Yeah. Like that in America. Yay, it's still working. He didn't turn it off. All right. Bye-bye. Thank you all for all of your warm wishes and your condolences. He's sleepy. Are you sleepy?
No.
Not yet. Yeah. So you know, whenever mommy dad died, I run away, just like we're doing right now. And we go and do something fun. Because my father's name is John B. Chafin, but his tribal name was John B. Roundtree. And Roundtree is similar to Fanai. It's a tribal name. My dad is Cherokee, and when he passed away, I ran away to Mizram. And me and Azie, I said, we're gonna. I didn't know we would run away to the beach, but Azie said, I want to go to the beach right now, and I understand him. I understand him. So I said, sure, let's go. Let's go. And we'll go. And Minnie said, I'll take you. And I said, cool. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna. Azie, I guess, gets it from me. He's sad in his own way. He doesn't understand really. He doesn't understand.
Use any lane to take the I-85 north ramp.
Thank you all for your kind words, and thank you for the ones who have talked to Azie.
For 2 miles.
And I appreciate anyone that takes time out of their day to have a conversation with Azie and speak Mizo Chung to him. It's very important that he still remember how to say the words. I'm not that strong at speaking in Mizo Chung, but his dad always teach him, always talk to him in Mizo Chung. He always, and he's still, Azie is, I'm Cherokee. I'm Cherokee because my dad's Cherokee. Azie's Mizo because his dad's Mizo. I understand, but Azie wants to keep his hair, so we'll keep his hair. Pana was okay with it, right? You want to keep your hair, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. All right. We're going to the beach, right? We're gonna go. He's about to fall asleep. It's nap time anyway. All right, everybody, I'm heading off now.
In half a mile,
Bye.
keep left to continue on I-85 north.
Ole tikhan na video chu kan en zota yang poni sela han le lin ngai ang kha lova English har thumal har sali to khan mang lova rosite a thian nu khan in ti thoven na na hruai ani bera tin ozia first time turani ya tuipui kama avoi khat kal na turani ya ti chuanin an pa po an ngai view ani eng poni sela a rosite nu fa hi an lainat oma a tong trai pui an ngai ve na sa hri ni in alangani kan mun thawa tong trai na lama kan lo hriat ve kha an ngai ani an lainat om nu fa mai